everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to recreate the very beautiful and super talented Bollywood actress Shraddha Kapoor's beautiful eye makeup look from the upcoming movie Street Dancer 3D. I hope you really like it as I enjoyed a lot while making this, and I have tried this makeup look in my own way. So hope you like this video. So without any further ado, let's start the video.
So firstly, we will apply very good face moisturizer from the company Mama Earth. It will help our skin to give proper moist in winters as well. So after applying the moisturizer, I am applying hair base and trying to blend it properly with the help of makeup sponge, or you can use the tip of your fingers. Whatever you want, you can blend your makeup in a proper way. And blend is the key to give your skin a very natural and flawless makeup look. Afterward, I will hide my dark circles with the help of LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Ivory. And I will use it in some of my dark areas too. Then again start blending under your eye area as well as all over your face and try to match your base. For giving even tone to my eyelid, I am also applying the base with the help of my finger properly and smudge it well. And do remember, you should smudge your eye makeup in such a good way that there will be no fine lines visible. Alright, so I am done with my all over face makeup. Then I will take a very good SQ kajal and do my brows. After the brows, now it's turn to do the eye makeup. So I'm taking the same SQ kajal for my eye makeup and start pointing a line towards my eyes, or basically I'm starting from my inner corner and moving ahead towards the outer edges of my eye. And I will try to make a very thin line so that it can be smudged easily with the help of brush. And after marking a very thin line, as I want the shape according to Shraddha Kapoor's look, I will smudge that super small and tiny line in my own way and try to recreate her look. Alright, so after creating a very sharp arc shape, now I will move towards my lower lash line and try to apply the same SQ kajal over my waterline and try to buff it with the help of my small brush and give a little bit smoky effect from bottom to my waterline. After covering my eye area, now I'm moving ahead towards the blush area and try to give my cheeks a little bit tinted pink effect, as I always love. For the lipstick, here I'm using Lakme 925, the very beautiful nude shade, which is according to me is very similar to what Shraddha's look, and this is a little bit glossy, so I'm making it matte with the help of loose powder, or you can use it here any baby powder or setting powder for making it dry. And here is the complete look. I have tried in my own way. Obviously her makeup looks and her expressions are very different from mine, but I have tried to achieve her look. I hope you like my efforts, and if you like this then please do subscribe and give the thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page by Stylewithshivi.